What's up, everybody? James Keller, Keller Outdoors. You're about to watch the first BFL of the year, and it didn't go the way I expected. Drew boat 101. Typically, I don't care what numbers I draw. They usually don't matter. If I'm doing enough of the right things and on enough fish, it's not going to matter, but in this one, it mattered. So as you'll see in the first clip, or the first part of this video, we pull up to my spot, and there's 3 boats on one spot, and then my little backup spot down from that spot had a boat on it, and then my backup, which is in the same area, also had a boat on it. And we sat and watched them catch limits in the first 20 minutes, all of them, except for one boat that was a little too far back. I had worked out a deal with the guy to, if he was there before me, we'd pull up and fish the spot together, and vice versa. If I drew a number where I got there first, he could pull up with me. Unfortunately, neither one of us drew a good number, and everybody was on that stuff. And it was kind of a community, well-known hole, but a lot of people found it. And there was a lot of good fish there, enough for maybe 2 boats to win off of, but not all of them. I don't know how well those guys all did that stayed there. Doesn't matter. I went and fished a couple of other areas, and, well, I lost some key fish, as you'll see in the video. So please subscribe, like, watch the video, comment. Tell me, what would you have done? You pull up and there's 4 boats in your spot. I went to the backup of the backup of the backup of the backup to scrap out what I could. You draw next to last boat, these things happen. So all in all, I made a good out of what happened and got a good limit and good points, well within the regional cut after the first tournament. So enjoy the video, and also I have a short on here where we're doing a little giveaway. If you go to my YouTube shorts, if you subscribe to the channel and comment on that video and then like my Facebook page and QC Lures Facebook page, this coming Sunday you could win 50 baits from QC Lure Works. So enjoy the video. Thanks.
Get him 101. Boat 102. Thank you, 102.
What boat you got?
It's like a gray. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, I see him.
He wasn't fishing. Guy's just sitting on spots holding them.
Yeah, that tells you how many was there. Here? Yeah. What's that?
I didn't realize that was you. I was supposed to talk about that.
Some of them ain't fast, they weigh too big. Be like 10 pounders. That. Oh, never mind. You won't believe this.
Drum?
Fucking dogfish.
What?
Yep.
Dogfish?
Out in 10 foot of water.
A dogfish?
Yep. Watched him eat it and everything. At least they would have been fish.
Yeah.
That guy's got another one on. No, he must have lost it. No, he's still got it. He's not grabbing the net though.
No.
Maybe them bigger ones ain't. Yeah, there's fish on rocks for sure. All right, man, we're gonna head out of here. I can't do this.
Okay.
You can always come back and see if anybody's on it, but I'm sure somebody's gonna be on it all
They're
day.
going to be on this all day long.
I got, like I said, I got singular stuff too up.
You got long?
Did you do bring a buddy with him? Did you bring a buddy with him? I'm hooked up to a stupid one of those things too. You did me dirty there.
Trying to see what you're throwing.
If you want to catch northern, you can have it.
I got my binoculars out, seeing all you clowns throwing. I might as well just fucking ask if someone's catching anything. You throwing a chatterbait?
No, I'm just throwing a swim bait right now.
You got an underspin on it?
No.
Man, is it mean or is it tough?
It's really tough. At least the largemouth fishing is anyway. Oh, that stay down there. That was a good one too.
But not just me.
Nope. Not that time. That first why they have them fall. Now you hit it twice, figure you got it now. That's a good sign anyway.
Bad?
It's a fan. Yeah, it's a biggin.
Bass?
Yes, biggin. Scoop that big son of a bitch. That's off, but it's good. Yes. I like
might be a little one. No,
No, it's not.
near way.
Sorry, my left shoulder's terrible, so I can't do much
No
movement.
problem. Zoom in that.
I should have set my rod down and used my. Damn it. I couldn't tell. I didn't know it was a bite at first, and I'm like, I think that was a bite. Then I went to pick up and it was swimming. I figured there was going to be one sitting by that. God, that was a big one, and I saw him. God damn it. Wish I hadn't seen him. I could have done without seeing that fish.
Good fish. Good fish. Look at good fish. Big fish.
Oh, there.
Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish.
Oh, that one. You guys got a tournament today?
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on.
There's a bunch of guys out there.
I saw the bobber over there. I didn't see the.
It's no big deal. Be a smart ass.
Oh.
Yeah, big one. Shit,
I'm gonna go for him.
I'll take big now that I see him. He got two. Solid.
There he is.
Not like that. Poking away at it. Yeah, it's stuck on my fucking GoPro.
Yeah, I don't need busting one off and to add busting one off to my repertoire
No.
tonight. You know. I knew that was going to happen. Good fish.
I can't tell, but yeah, it is a good one.
I knew that was going to happen. I was just thinking about that. You okay up there?
Yeah, I'm alright. Too many on the tough day.
Huh?
Can't be doing that.
What did they do with my bait? They threw my bait down. They threw everything down. Come on. Oh, here it is. Okay up there?
Yeah. Fuck.
Good one?
It was a good one.
Huh?
I had a bite.
I believe you.
Oh, I got him that time. I don't think he's very big.
I bump him though. Ah, he's really short.
Nah, he's pretty short. That's a better one. It's a bass. Yeah, it's a bass. See it. It's a keeper. Feels like a keeper. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's good fish. Good fish. Come on, get him over there.
I saw that flat bottom come over earlier in the camp, and I wanted to fish over there. 'Cause, you know, they get on them beaver hutches this time of year.
Yep.
I got one.
Good one.
Yep. No, I don't know because it's in the current, so I don't think so, dude. I think we're good.
Oh, he'll keep. He might
He
keep.
might keep. He won't be a very big one if he does. I think he's 13 and a half. I ain't gonna know if I don't put him on the Yeah, I think he does. I don't want to be that guy at weigh-in. Yeah, he does. He's gonna have to get out of the equation long before the day is over. Hooked up.
See that?
Again, I don't know. I don't think he's very big, so don't worry about it. No. That's not. I feel like these are the ones that maybe were getting blasted, but they're too small to be.
Yeah. There he is.
Look at smallmouth. That's what I thought. I thought, no.
Good luck, guys. Here he comes.
Number 5, number 3 for you. Oh. Yeah, I'd bump him, but he looks like he's. Thing. That's a good one. I got a good one. I can use the net on that just to. You stay on. Just give me my hit. Give me number 5. Come on with it. Came out. Yep. Nice.
I didn't bring any of mine. I got baits that look this way.
Yeah. My favorite river color.
Was it? Are you throwing that down at, but then all we have to do is ask to get bit on the corner, right?
Yep. You said that, and I started to pick up. I'm like, I got one on. For sure, yeah. It warms up faster.
Uh-oh.
That's a bass. I think. It's so far out there, I can't tell.
Where are you throwing?
Could be a northern too, though. No, that's a bass.
That good now? Hold on.
I got it. That's a call.
That's a call. I ain't got no jig tied on.
Not very long.
No, he's not that big.
Yeah, it's longer than my little one. That I'm now gonna have to try and find. Not that I'm complaining or anything here, but they're just biting, dude.
Waiting for you.
I don't know what that is. I ain't seen it yet, and I think it's a northern. Yep.
Northern ain't even biting this thing. Good fish on this side.
Smallie, big one. Good job, dude.
Stop it. Oh, he ate it.
I think I broke my rod. Something weird happened.
Yeah, he'll call. Break your rod?
Something happened in the reel. It don't sound good. It's probably. Oh my God.
That? He'll call.
I think so. I gotta do it quick. See what he weighs first. Oh God, I don't know.
He should call. Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Now let's see what he weighs.
Smallies are heavy, too.
Well, he's fat.
You didn't weigh it any other ones.
No, I didn't, but I might have to. See what he weighs.
Slip up.
Ain't got no.
Gotta get it. Yeah, you gotta get on his. 2-3?
210. God damn it, I don't have the kind of time for this, but I gotta have it, don't I? Could be.
It's heavier than that one?
Yep. This one's pretty stout. Not tungsten is expensive. You know,
I get it, Bill.
101.
101.
101.
Ready? I'm not good at this.
Sure you are.
3-pointer.
Thanks. Oh, it's over here. How you guys doing?
Good.
Okay, now we gotta get closer. Now.
Oh, Christ.
Just pull me in. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, front of the nose got stuck in there.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, that's the end of the day. We ended up with just shy of 14 pounds, which is not good. Yeah. It took 16 pounds to get a check, 16 something, which I left 2 out there that would have got me there. So, you know, it happens. It's fishing, and you know, a lot of things that didn't go my way, losing fish, not getting the fish. You know, my main area, having a bad boat draw, you know, which caused me not to be able to get there before people got there. And those things happen. Made the best out of it and got a good limit and decent points, middle of the package finish, but was 2 calls away that I lost from finishing in the top 17 or whatever they paid out. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever. Don't watch. I'm okay with all of it. Thanks again.